Hello folks, join me as we unwind, unbox, and speed build the high-grade Leo. I've been eyeing the real grades for a while now, and especially with the new releases and the great reviews that came with them. But I've never done 1144 skills before, and I'm not really sure how I'll feel about it personally. So I see this as one of my test kits, just to check how I would feel first before committing to RGs. I actually bought a couple more just to get a sense to gauge how I would ultimately feel um, in terms of my preference on the scales of these kits. Moving on to the box, which by the way oozes quality to me with just the box art. Um, I love me some good art, and it just makes me even more excited to start building it. I also love grunt suits, and Gundam Wing is full of good ones, including this Leo. Yeah, let's just open it, see what's inside. Um, so that's like what, one, two, is that three? Yeah, three runners and one small one, I guess, which is to be expected. It's a high grade, so the parts count is not gonna be high. Alright, so this is the manual. Can you see it in the camera? Yeah. Anyway, here's the manual. 1, 2, 3, like I said, two small pieces. Yeah, I think that's it for the unboxing. There's really not much to say right now, because I just want to go start building it, to be honest. So this is going to be a 3-part series with the review video next, and ultimately the custom work soon after. I'll leave you guys with a time lapse for the build, and hope to see you next time. Cheers!